Yeah. So what's good? We're gonna go through a few pairs for next week and see what we're looking like. And let's just mark up some charts, man. Alright, let's see what's going on. So we got we marked up this last week. So silver's looking alright, especially due to the war. So we're gonna mark this. If it was to pull back, something like this, round about there, we'll be looking to get out round about there. So yeah, that looks cool. You want your zones, you want your free zones, man, something like that. So that's one. Then we've got, what else? With NAS 100, that's what NAS is saying. I've marked up these from last week, but I like to refresh my charts every like Sunday, you get me, and get ready for the week. So we got zone there. It's kind of ranging, to be fair. It's doing all this, so we're waiting for some sort of push. Due to the war, it might just plummet, you get what I'm saying? It might just be like bang, 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 bang. Maybe down to these zones, yeah. That's what it's looking like. So NAS 100 ain't the best, to be fair. We need something. US 30, is that US 30? Alright, so US 30 is not looking good. Because remember, we only buy as well, so I'd only be taking buys off this area. You'd have to hit off these areas, yeah, for me to consider buying that. And once it hits that area, you're gonna want a little bit of this action, and then I'll probably be getting in somewhere around there, putting man's zone there, waiting for it to go up, to come down, to go higher. That's where we would be getting out, you get me? Alright, cool. So US 30 is not looking good. UK 100's dropped already. Same again with UK 100. I'm gonna be looking to get in. I'd say it has to be somewhere around here, somewhere around where it is now. There's a liquor zone there, and that's what it's looking like for now. But we still need it to bounce. We need it to bounce and start showing us higher high, lower lows, you get what I'm saying? That's what we would be waiting for. Alright, cool, so that's dead. Everything's kind of bearish at the moment, so we will look at some Forex pairs. Gold's looking alright, to be fair, so gold's already marked up. So in order to get into gold, we would need the pullback, and we would probably be getting out where it is now, to be fair. A little move, we don't need too much, so we would be getting out probably somewhere around about there. So if it was a pullback, we would be getting out around about here. It looks something like this, to be fair. Why does that keep happening, man? It would look something like this. I think that's 123 points, I think. I don't know how to read gold like that, you know. But yeah, that's what it would be looking like if it pulls back, you get me? Doing all this before football as well. That's dedication. I got football in an hour, you feel me? Sunday morning, wake up early, man. So we got, that's looking alright. See, everything's dropping, which is good. So next week, hopefully we get a little bit off a pullback, you get me? So all these are good. I love when it pulls back, because the way I'm looking at it, yeah, it still has to there's a few gaps. Like if you don't know what fair value gaps are, then that's just like there's a little gap in the market here, what needs to be filled. You have to do your own research on that, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, there's a few gaps there, so looking for it to start doing that. I'd get in round about here, and it should fill these gaps there, this little gap there. So yeah, it's alright. So these are all cooking still. Have to wait for all these to cook. BTC, China. D4 is looking good. That's looking good. That's still valid. This is still valid. This looks good still. So that's still something I'd consider for next week. You get me? It's at the zone. Little bit deeper. Hopefully pushes it down a little bit deeper, and this support holds, and that's a potential. That's a good one still, because if you look, you can see it's running out of steam. It's still an uptrend, really. Could be a pullback. It could have went up to come down to go higher, but we're not trying to get this high here. We're not trying to take it to there, you get me? We're not trying to get that TP. We're trying to take it at the last little bit of action, you get me? So yeah, that ain't that bad, to be fair. So that can get touched. So if it digs in round about there, we might be taking it as a potential. That's got a lot of potential. Swiss, everything dropping, man. Platinum. Alright, cool. Let's have a quick look at some Forex pairs, you get me? So we're going to back testing. This is where I put all my Forex pairs. We always want to look for uptrend, so this looks like it's it's at resistance. I'm looking at this structure there, and then we need to do something like this, break through this, come back, and then we can ride the wave up to these areas, if that makes sense. So that could be a potential. There's nothing valid though, you know what I mean? Nothing valid, to be fair. Nothing valid. That's consolidating. That's moving sideways. So we leave that alone. That's looking alright. Like it can reject. Yo, USD looks like it's on a downtrend. That's looking alright. AUDJPY. So this could get touched, to be fair. There's nothing wrong with this. Still an uptrend. So that could get touched, to be fair. Put that up there. So we only need a few still. We just need about one more for potentials. That looks good as well, to be fair. You can just look at that and that looks good. Depending what the Sunday market open does. That looks good still. I ain't gonna lie. We would want this to kind of pull back around about this zone so we can get out here. We would want that, to be fair. You get me? Let's get one more. Yo, USD. Ooh, what's that? JPY. So it's looking like it's heading to back up to this area. So we got a little bit of a push. So if it was a pullback to this zone, that'd be good. This zone would be better, and this zone would be scary, but it's all good. nothing we can't handle, man. Nothing we can't handle, and that's it. So that's cool. I'd say we've got enough there, enough meat in the market to eat our food. You get me? So that's the angle. So yeah. That can run. Yeah. So that's it, really, man. Just check the Telegram out and just look out for the trades to send. I'll probably send. I have to wait for Sunday market to close. Open, sorry, to see what the action's saying then. Yeah, Monday, I'll let you know what I go on, man. But yeah, man. Love.